Welcome to the Museo del Oro Gold Museum, one of the most iconic museums in Colombia, located in the heart of Bogota. This museum is home to the world's largest collection of pre-Hispanic gold artifacts. With over 55,000 pieces, the Gold Museum showcases the rich cultural heritage of Colombia's indigenous civilizations, including the Muisca, Tairona, and Jenu peoples. Gold Museum timings and entrance fees. See the famous Muisca raft, a 1,600-year-old golden figure that's considered one of the most important artifacts in Colombian history. The museum has 4 permanent exhibition halls and 2 temporary ones, with bilingual information in Spanish and English throughout the permanent exhibits. Of metals. Learn about ancient mining techniques and how different pre-Hispanic cultures crafted their gold pieces. Ancient peoples' mixing of metal, coloring, and polishing is always different. The main room is called People and Gold in Pre-Hispanic Colombia. In glass vitrines display goldsmiths' work from the different culture which inhabited Colombia before the Spanish colonists arrived. The permanent exhibition is divided into different halls for every culture: Calimia, Coyamia, Muisca, Jenu, San Agustin, Tolima, Tairona, and Uraba, and a special room called After Columbus. With the gold artifacts, we also see the pottery, stone, shell, wood, and textile objects. These items also made of indigenous culture of the ancient people. Scenes from everyday life were depicted in Tumaco La Dolita pottery. Motherhood is a recurring theme, as are eroticism, illnesses, old age, and death. See the jaguar and puma that symbolize male power. Pottery from the Ilama period depicted people and their everyday activities. Certain vessels show men bearing containers, perhaps merchants carrying products in baskets. See the things used by the leaders that reinforced their prestige through the use of luxury goods. Different types of middle period burials are known, some of them accompanied by pottery vessels, big or small, and 3-legged pots that are used for cooking. Watch the hammered gold or tumbaca helmets or crowns were the leaders' largest and most visible emblems. The burial practices of the ancient people are like placing mummies in seated positions on raised platforms or stools, wrapping bodies and entering them with rich grave goods like gold and pottery, reflecting beliefs in an afterlife where the dead needed companions and status. Plan your visit to the Museo del Oro today and discover the golden treasure of Colombia. Come and experience it for yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.